So we'll go with the third one, that is comments. Which one? Comments. So what is a comment? What is a comment? And why it is required? Why it is required? Generally, if you watch any game, mostly like a cricket game, right? While watching the game, we listen the voice. Means that's called comment, right? Commentary we listen. So here, what is the use of the commentary? Even though without commentary also, we can watch the game, we can understand the game, but still, what is the use of a commentary, right? So commentary gives more energy for audience first of all, but the main purpose of commentary is to give the more clarity to the audience, more clarity about the game, right? For example, yesterday IPL match, Kohli got out, right? So the ball almost came this height, okay, and Kohli argued with that umpires. In that case, suppose imagine now commentary is not there, then we don't know what is happening there. Even though we are able to watch the game, but we don't know what discussion is going on, and all we don't know. So because of commentary, we also listen very clearly, and we understood the ball came a little bit more height because he's out of the grease. Like that, understand that one, right? Means commentary will give more understanding of the game, more understanding of the game. In the same case in Python also, the comments will give more understanding of the program. Same like a cricket commentary is equal to Python comments. In cricket, commentary gives more understanding of the game, and in Python, comments give more understanding of the program. If you want to say what is going on here, just make the comment in the program, right? So comments provide a more understanding of the game. That's why, okay. So comments are important in every program. In every program, they're important. At the same time, not mandatory. Comments are not mandatory. They're optional. They're optional. Like same in game also, comment not mandatory for every game, for every ball. It's not mandatory, right? So whenever required, they keep on speak. We're able to listen, but there's no rule that for every ball they have to make the comment. No, there's no rule. Whenever required, they give the commentary. In the same case, in program also, the program may be 2 lines program, 10 lines program, 20 lines program, 1,000 lines program. Wherever required more clarity about the program, about the logic, there we have to add the comment, right? Okay. So here, types of comments. First one is same like again, single line comment. Single line comment. Again, second one is a multi-line comment. Multi-line comment. Single line, multi-line, or multiple line comment. Means if you comment only one line, that is called a single line comment. If you comment multiple lines, that's called what here? Multi-line or multiple line comment. Multi-line or multiple line comment like this. Okay. Let's talk about first a single line comment. Single line comment. Suppose I'm making one program, a base program, all of observe. I'm talking about what here? Single line comment first. Okay. So I'm taking now a equal to 10. A equal to 10. So what is happening here? 10 assigned to variable A. 10 assigned to variable A. Next, suppose B equal to some 20. C equal to suppose A plus B. Then print of C. This is just a base program where we have the 4 lines. 4 lines. Now, Suppose what is happening here, I want write in the comment form. What is happening here, third line. Then opposite, just make the hash in the opposite or above the line also. Make the hash hash. So hash is used to write single line comment. What is used? Hash is used to make the single line comment. Okay, hash, and you can write here. We can write here. What is happening there? Performing addition between A and B, like this. Performing addition between A and B. In the comment, you can write anything, no problem. There's no syntax problem. There's no logic problem here because comments are not executable. Comments for our understanding purpose, not for the executing purpose. That's why don't worry about any spelling, a sentence formation, nothing required. Just it should be understanding for us. Understanding for us. Now we have a doubt. Sir, 4 lines are there, sir, here. But only 1 line wrote the comments, sir. For many lines not required, it's our choice. It's our choice. Because wherever we require clarity, then there make the comment. Now here one big question is there. Sir, we are writing the program. Again, why clarity required for us? I have the clarity, I'm making the program. Again, why clarity required for me? Yes or no, right? See, this program I know, the logic I know, I wrote the program. Again, why clarity required for me? That's a very big question. And also a funny question here, right? Actually, the comments not for the developer of the program. The comment not for the developer of the program. It's for other persons, other developers. For example, imagine all of you. Suppose we joined in one company. I'm the only one developer in the project. It's going on 5 months over, 6 months over, 7 months over. I'm the only one person who is making all the program, all the project. 8 months over now. Now I got a new offer with more package. Then, okay, I applied for the resignation. 2 months, 1 month notice period is there. I serve it. Now imagine now exactly how project over. This half we developed. If I go outside, they take someone inside. That new person should know what happened this half project. If he does not know, he can't continue the project. That's why this old person gives a KT for the new person. KT means what? Just overall a rough knowledge transfer, just overall figure. This old person will not teach line by line. No, they will not say like that. They give just oral explanation enough. So in this case, the new person should know everything from beginning onwards. He must know. Then only he will have the clarity, he can continue. In that case, if he is going for the previous logic, for him, if you read the comment, you get the idea here. So before he's going to the logic, if you read the comment, you get the overall idea first of all. Then you go to the logic. So for that person, which one comments required? Not for me. Simple example. Suppose I'm watching some Hindi movie. I don't know Hindi, but watching Hindi movie. Below the display subtitles. Who is displaying? It's because of the directors or that producers or that actors all made a film, and finally they're giving the TV with the subtitles. The subtitles not for the director. The subtitles not for the actors. For whom? The audience who are watching. The audience who are using that one, who are watching that one, for them the subtitles required. Not for the who made the film. He knows every dialogue already. Again, why required comments there? Right? So comments required, the subtitles required for whom? For the audience, for easy understanding. Suppose I'm trying to watch Hindi movie, little bit understanding. For me to make more understanding, subtitles very helpful to me. The same case, the comments not for the code, the developer, writer of the program, right? It's for whom the other person who is going to involve later or who is going to use your code later. For them, they require the comments. I think you are clear, right, about this point, all of you guys? Because so many times students asked me, sir, I am the programmer, I know the logic, I wrote the logic over. Again, why? How they help me, sir? How they're helpful to me, sir, right? It's not for you. The other person who is going to use your code, for him, comments most useful. Like the movie subtitles are not required for the directors, for whom you are going to watch your movie. For them, you are displaying the subtitles. Same here also. Okay, right. So this is about what here, single line comments. The comment, you can write the same line, some space maintain, 1, 2 tabs or 1 tab space, and continue with the hash symbol. We can make the same line, or we can make the above line also comment. We can make the comment here also. Either above line you can make or the same line you can make here. Suppose this line is there. I wanted the comment. I can make here. Otherwise, I can make here also hash 10 assigned to variable A, like that. You can make the same line, or above also can make it. So it's about what here? A single line comments. Now, let's go for multiple line comment. Multiple line comment, right? So multiple comments are useful to make the comments for multiple lines. For multiple lines. For example, observe now. It is the overall program, guys. It's overall program. So what happened here? Overall, what happening here? I want to write in 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines. So overall, what happening here? What is going to happen there? I want to make in 3, 4 lines. At that time, what can we do? Above the program, or below the program, for example. Okay, I can write here. Suppose triple quote starting, right? And I can say here. Okay, so suppose guys, taking 2 numbers from user, okay, and perform addition, and then display to user. That's all. Now make the comment like this. So what's the point here? Taking 2 numbers from user and perform addition and then display result to user, right? So this is what now a multiple lines comment. So now the interpreter will not execute a single line comment or multiple line comment. Multiple line comment. Now we have a doubt. What is that means? So previously quotes, you said that triple quotes for multiple line string, but we are saying that a multiple line comment. How to identify, sir, which is a comment, which is a multiple line string? Simple. Before the quotes, if any variable is there, any variable assignment is there, this is a multiple line string. No variable assignment is there, then this is what now? Comment. Very simple. How to identify which is a multiple line string? Multiple line comment means before the triple quotes, if any variable assignment is there, then this is called what? Multiple line string. The string value giving to variable. Suppose no variable assignment is there, this is called what here? Multiple line comments. We can make 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes also, right?